Hello, good afternoon, friend. Today I want to say something about you. More than more friend asked with me how to networking from fiber optic cable. Uh, I want to say about this fiber optic cable. In parallel panel, for 100 ES, uh, how to wiring fiber optic cable in networking. Okay, I want to say like that. Uh, I think all. Fire alarm 4100 ES panel. We have all this one. See, before I say about this card, I say about this card. There have two cards, small, no, small. Wire media card before copper cable networking wiring time. I say okay. Same like fiber optic cable, how to connect. We can use same like card in practical after I say okay. See, this is this is this card name is network. See, network interface module. Network interface module. One here, left port and right port. Okay, see, left port and right port. We can use small card. This card name is fiber optic media card. Fiber optic media card. This card name is fiber optic media card. See, we are using here fiber optic cable. Okay, if we networking from fiber optic cable, we can use this terminal port. Okay, here is see this is we can fiber optic. See, you can see left port. Can here make here, see, press other also. See, left port and right port. See, already make left port and right port. Coming from left, going right. From right, coming from left, going same card here. See, same card here. Here we are using if copper cable wiring networking, we can connect before here R plus R minus, down L plus L minus. Now if networking from copper cable. So if networking fiber optic cable, you can connect here left and right. Here same left and right, same left port and right port, same. Okay, left port and right port. Okay, so this building we are wiring, one side is copper cable, one side is fiber cable. Okay, because some problem wiring, that's one side is wiring fiber cable, one side is copper cable. Okay, so we have here left side. See, left side using copper cable, same left side using card, wire media card, no. See, right side not using copper cable. Right side using this one fiber optic cable. See, a fiber optic cable. See, positive, negative, plus minus fiber optic cable. This one is fiber optic cable. See, I can. So how do you test fiber optic cable? I will say how do you test fiber optic cable? If fiber optic cable is damaged after, how do you check? See, this is this cable is fiber optic cable. We test this. This cable name is patch cord. Patch cord. See, patch cord name is patch cord. 5 meter patch cord. Patch cord. If this is we are connect in server room. This is connect in server room. See, you can remove this one. See. Okay. If you need other video, I will explain like that server room and how can connect. See, we need to test this cable is if damage or no damage, good or not good. We can give from here to laser light. Okay, from here to laser light. Anywhere you connect this fiber cable, we can use test first. See, this is laser light. Okay, fiber optic test light. See, we can connect here. See, we can connect this. Then come if you then see, if I give here from here to give light. See, this too much rounding. See, too much rounding after giving light. See, this one. See, okay. This cable is good. See, light coming. See, light coming. See, light coming. See, this is called fiber optic cable. See, off. See, okay, same like other also. Same like other also. See, light coming. See, small light coming. See, off. See, this is the fiber cable test fiber cable. Okay, friend, if you better networking better to copper cable, too much. If you like best networking, you can use fiber optic cable. Okay, you can use fiber optic cable. That's so. This is good. Wiring also good. Not earth ground like that. Not if breaking. Only using this test light after. Better to copper cable. Better to fiber cable. Okay, friend. Okay, please share and subscribe my channel. Okay.